right? In quadrant 1.
So it goes 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so.
You have to write it as a Roman numeral like that?
Technically, yes, you should. It's only 1 through 4.
It's fun.
All right, so there's a way to remember, right? So it's all students take calculus.
Boy, how does that?
So that is going to tell you which one is positive in each quadrant. So like in quadrant 1, all 3 trig functions are going to be positive. So sine is positive, cosine is positive, tangent is positive. In that quadrant, all 3 functions would be positive in quadrant 1.
How does A tell us that?
All
All of them are positive.
are positive.
So I'm guessing like the
Oh,
next one
sine,
is.
tangent,
Oh, okay, got it.
All right, so then in quadrant 2, only sine is going to be positive. Right? So sine is positive, cosine is negative, tangent is negative. In quadrant 3, right, tangent's going to be positive. So sine and cosine are negative. Tangent is positive. And then quadrant 4, sine is negative, cosine is positive, tangent is negative.
Wait,
All right.
so it's. What? Oh, okay, sorry.
Are you good?
Yeah.
All right.
It's always going to be sine, cosine.
The heat kicked on. I've got the heat on back there, and then the air conditioner is blowing over here, so like my room doesn't know what it's doing. It's just
One side shows.
like look at page 55. Right, you're gonna do 19 to 27. So that is basic. And the other thing is like the reciprocals are gonna be the same as like these. So in quadrant 1, they're all gonna be positive still. In quadrant 2, like since sine is positive, cosecant would also be positive.
Huh? Say that one time?
All right. In quadrant 2, since sine is positive, right, cosecant would also be positive because that's the reciprocal function for sine.
Okay.
How do we
Yeah.
know the sign?
What about for tangent? For the
Yeah, so like for this one it would be cotangent, and for this one it would be secant. It's on page 55.
I'm confused.
All right. So,
We like using this.
yeah, so for number 19, it's telling you that the cosine is greater than 0, which means it's positive. And then the sine is less than 0, which means it's negative. So what quadrant is sine positive but cosine negative?
It would be quadrant 2.
Quadrant 2. So the answer to 19 is quadrant 2.
Okay, but why did you put CSC?
That's cosecant, because if you look at like number 21, right, sine and cosecant, like wherever cosecant is negative or positive, that's the same place sine
That's
is.
where they lie at, that, like,
Yes.
the
What's
same.
secant?
Secant is the reciprocal of cosine.
So quadrant, what would you put for 19? Just quadrant 2?
Yep, quadrant 2.
And Roman numeral.
Mm-hmm.
Is that all you do for those?
Yeah.
19 through 27.
Yep.
I said like 5 minutes.
I told you.
And then we're gonna do this.
Yeah.